Hello travelers, welcome back to our channel today. We are discussing an interesting topic about Bulgaria travel advice for United Kingdom. And Bulgaria famous places. Let's go! Number 1. Sofia, the capital city of Bulgaria. Sofia is a mix of ancient and modern. It's home to the iconic Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, the National Palace of Culture, and numerous museums. Number 2. Varna, Bulgaria's maritime capital. Varna offers beaches, museums, and the Sea Garden Park. Number 3. Ruse, often referred to as the Little Vienna. Ruse is known for its elegant architecture and rich cultural history. Number 4. Belograchik Rocks, a unique rock formation in northwest Bulgaria. These red and yellow rocks create an impressive landscape. Number 5. Borovets, another famous ski resort. Borovets is located on the northern slopes of Rila Mountain and offers both winter and summer outdoor activities. Let's see entry requirements. Number 1. Passport validity. If you are planning to travel to an EU country except Ireland, Schengen countries, you must follow the Schengen area passport requirements. Your passport must be issued less than 10 years before the date you enter the country. Check the date of issue. Valid for at least 3 months after the day you plan to leave. Check the expiry date. Number 2. Visa. Bulgaria is not part of the Schengen area. Visits to Bulgaria do not count towards your 90-day visa-free limit in the Schengen area. Visits to other EU or Schengen countries do not count towards your 90-day visa-free limit in Bulgaria. This applies if you travel as a tourist, to visit for family or friends, to attend business meetings, cultural or sports events, or for short-term studies or training, to stay longer, to work or study. For business travel or for other reasons, you will need to meet the Bulgarian government's entry requirements. Number 3. Passport stamping. As a visitor, your passport may be stamped when you enter and exit Bulgaria. Border guards will use passport stamps to check you're complying with the 90-day visa-free limit for short stays in Bulgaria. If the relevant entry or exit stamp is not in your passport, border guards will presume that you have overstayed your visa-free limit. You may also need to show a return or onward ticket so you have enough money for your stay. Follow these entry requirements before you travel Bulgaria. Thanks for watching. If you want to book flights to Bulgaria, contact us.